A ward boy died a day after receiving a shot of COVID-19 vaccine in the district hospital of Uttar Pradesh, Moradabad district. The victim has been identified as 46-year-old Mahipal Singh. The health worker received a jab of COVID on January 16 last. According to a media report, he died after complaints of breathlessness and unease, especially in the chest. He had worked the night shift after vaccination, adding that they don't think the death is due to any side effect of the vaccine. Vaccination drive will be conducted at more centers in Karnataka, Jharkhand and Gujarat today. Meanwhile, the External Affairs Minister and the Ministry of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Ministry held a virtual meeting with the Serum Institute of India and BHARAT BIOTECH over vaccine export this afternoon. According to the Union Health Ministry, over 2.24 lakh people have received vaccine jabs in 2 days, with 447 adverse events being reported so far. Most states and union territories will hold COVID vaccination session 4 days a week. India reported 13,788 fresh coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry update today. With the new COVID-19 cases, the case load in the country has mounted to 1.05 crore. The nation also recorded 145 fatalities due to the novel coronavirus, taking the toll to 1,52,419. Besides, the active cases tally in India stands at 2,08,012 and total recovered or discharged cases at 1.02 crore. BJP National Spokesperson and BJP Manipur in charge SAMBIT PATRA arrived in IMPHAL today. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Professor S. Tikendra, CAF and PD Minister Shatya Batra, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, MLA S.H. Dingo, S. Ranjan and several party leaders received SAMBIT PATRA at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport. At the airport, SAMBIT Patra told media that he will attend meetings to be held in the hill districts to strengthen BJP organization as part of the Go to Hills mission. The Supreme Court today said that the farmers' proposed tractor rally on Republic Day is a matter of law and order and has to be decided by the police. During a hearing on the plea seeking an order against the tractor rally by the farmers, the Supreme Court also told the centre that it has all the authority to deal with the matter. The farmers, who have been protesting against the farm law for close to 2 months, are firm on holding the proposed tractor rally on Republic Day and continue their sit-in demonstration till the agriculture law are repealed. Troops of 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles in a series of events organized Yuva Manch today to reach out to the youth volunteers from Tamenglong town. The theme of the program was Utsa Naye Bharat Ka, which aims at youth empowerment through education, sports, health, self-employment and self-reliance. IMPHAL West District Administration today demolished illegally constructed houses at Khabam Lamkhai crossing under Hengang Police Station. 4 houses were pulled down as the owners did not possess any land ownership documents, officials said. The counting of votes for the Maharashtra Gram Panchayat elections began at 9 a.m. today. The Maharashtra State Election Commission conducted the polls to 12,711 Gram Panchayats spread across 34 districts. Shiv Sena leads in 331, while the BJP is ahead in 266. Meanwhile, the NCP has bagged 221 Gram Panchayat and Congress 147 in the polls. There are 27,920 Gram Panchayats in Maharashtra.